If you watched the last video, then you would know that the crankshaft would not spin because I messed up the torque sequence. So I am finishing up the last bolt of redoing the torque sequence, and I think I'm doing it right. But once we're done with this last bolt here, if it's right, then we're gonna test and see if the crankshaft spins now. Whew, I am nervous, guys. I did this wrong in the last video, as you guys know, and it would not spin, and it upset me. If it doesn't spin now, because I really took care to follow the torque sequence and to follow the amounts of pounds and stuff, and lots of research on it. If it does not spin, there's something wrong with the machining and it'll have to go back. So let's go in and test it. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I'm like really nervous. Yes! Yes! Dude, that is so awesome. Look at how easily that spins. So now the crankshaft spins good, the camshaft spins good. Yes! Oh my gosh, I was so worried it was gonna be something real. And by real I mean like a machining issue. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. So, oh man, that is such that's like a celebration. Who knows what we'll be able to get done now. Look at that, effortlessly, without effort. That is so good, so great. I'm so happy with that. You see, if this was wrong and it wouldn't spin right now, that would mean that it would have to be remachined and more money and stuff. But let's stop rambling about the crankshaft. I've had enough talking about this. Let's get on to the next part. All right, guys, so now that, look at how good this engine looks. It just looks so good. But now that the crankshaft spins so beautifully, we can move on to the next step, which is pistons. We need to go actually get the pistons in our room. Josh is here. So over here we have everything we need. Here are all of our piston rings and then the Cleveite and Mahle rod bearings. Here are our pistons and piston rods. If you guys haven't seen these in the previous videos, they are from Sealed Power, which apparently is one of the best pistons for rebuilt engines and stuff. So they're super cool. You look so cute in your black. Wow, look at that nice oil. Met a girl from Chicago, said she was all alone. This is like the song No Vaseline by Ice Cube, except there's plenty of lubricant. I was thinking the same thing, Josh. The first piston is in. Josh just got to go. He's got work in the morning. So you guys can see the rod is connected down there. But watch this, guys. Oh, Josh, my hands have oil on them. Can you spin it? So that's really good. This engine build's going pretty well. Every time we test if something is right, it is right. So that's really cool. Very happy with it. Piston rings went in perfect at the right clock position and everything. Josh? You want to build the engine?
Yeah, I guess so. Kind of interrupting me.
What am I interrupting you exactly?
I told you I'd have to kill you.
Here comes the chicken. Something stupid like that. And then he skateboards naked, and it doesn't show his penis the entire way except for one scene where it does. Lined up. So that's another piston, almost in, and then you guys can see the other side. This is what it looks like before we put the actual other side of the rod on and torque it down. That's what it looks like when we do. So we're making progress. So we flip the engine around. Obviously these four are not in, but we have half of all the pistons in, which is pretty exciting. And you guys can see the cam now a lot better. So that's cool. So we're halfway done. All right, so every single piston is in, and they're all in the right way. I think it's safe to say we did everything right on that.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Yeah, I mean, we followed each step very closely and all that, so I'm pretty confident with the work on it. I haven't seen the top of the engine like this in a while. Now that the engine is assembled to this point, that means that we are able to completely spin all 8 cylinders. So this will be the first time that all 8 cylinders of this have spun in this engine for years, probably, definitely. So,
oh yeah, definitely.
You guys ready? Look at that.
Gotta make sure you get the other side, even though it's a little dark.
Oh, that's so cool to see. Can you see it from where you're sitting? A little bit.
That's so cool. Alrighty.
Awesome.
That is awesome.
That's so exciting. Here, go on and film me.
I'm filming you.
Alright, yeah, but my whole You did it right or you're gone! We finally got all 8 pistons into the cylinders. That's super exciting. I don't know why I'm doing the Donald Trump hands. We are right now. Super happy that we got to this point because it takes a lot to get to this point. From tearing an engine down, taking it to the machine shop, spending all the money, to doing all the parts like this. This is the most difficult parts of putting the crankshaft in and getting all the main caps torqued down on the right sequence and doing all the pistons this way. That's the hardest part of the whole build. The rest is going to be so much easier in comparison. So I'm super excited. Go and subscribe so you guys don't miss the future engine builds because they are coming. And also don't forget to subscribe for the 240 content and the Titan XD content. Jordan, do you know how to say the outro?
No, I don't.
We haven't done it in a long time. We don't really do the outro anymore. I don't know if y'all noticed that. Would it be funny if I just cut the clip right here?